Google has provided a basket of free sounds that can be used. Example 1. Sound of an alarm clock, length is about 6 seconds. Example 2. Here we specify start play and end play times from the sound of a ship bell. I just need a 2-second sound clip from the original. Example 3. To increase the volume of only the selected audio clip we use sound level option. Let us hear the bell at plus 20 decibels. Example 4. Using the repeat count option, the 2-second sound clip is repeated a number of times. You can specify the number of times to repeat. Here we will make the bell ring 5 times. Example 5. Using the repeat dur option, the sound clip is repeated a number of times for a specified duration in number of seconds. Here we will make the bell ring for 12 seconds.